Hey, I'm Evan Smith, and we're at the 2019 Shelby GT350 Press Day and Mustang launch. We're getting to drive the brand new 2019 GT350 on track. We're here at the M1 Concourse. We're out here for Hot Rod Magazine, so we're going to experience the car on track. We're going to experience the car on the road. We're going to get to talk to some of the staff, including engineers, and learn what makes this thing tick, how they upgraded it. So let's go for a ride.
We're always about elevating the performance of our vehicles. Each year we can get a chance, we're going to elevate the performance. So if you look at what we've done on F-150 Raptor, to the GT, to our new SUVs on Edge and on Explorer as we launch the ST lineup, we're all into getting heart-pounding excitement, that emotional experience you get when you get behind the wheel. So as we look at the 350, when it launched in 15, it was the track-focused vehicle, right? Ultimate balance, a flat plane crank, new to this segment, new to Ford. I think my first experience driving it, I'll always remember, I think I only drove maybe a couple of feet, and I'm like, holy crap, that is the most amazing sounding engine I've ever driven. And so that visceral sense is really what the 350 is about. Not only is the chassis capable on the track, but the engine delivers what is the most powerful naturally aspirated engine Ford Motor Company has ever made at 526 horsepower. So as we look at what we want to do with that vehicle, we'll hear from our customers, and what they really wanted on the 350 is getting it more capable to drive, easier to drive, more intuitive, more performance, right? I always get that from the Shelby's Orange Club. They're always looking for the 1,000 horsepower Mustang, but we keep on moving as fast as we can towards that ultimate goal. So for 2019, what we took a lot of learnings of what we were doing with 500 at the same time. So you can imagine us at the track, we'll bring our 350s, our 500 early prototypes. When we go down to North Carolina to the rolling ground plane where we do the Ford racing vehicles for NASCAR and go on to that, we bring our 350s and our 500s. And so in the technology that we were developing for the chassis and for aerodynamics as we went through the 500, we really wanted to roll that into the 350. And the 2019 model year gave us that ability to roll it in as a complete package. So the first thing you'll see when you see the car is really this new spoiler, and we call it the swing spoiler. And it came out of development of trying to get more downforce in the corner as we were working on the 500, but not a huge hit to drag going down the road. So that spoiler comes with the ability to order a gurney flap, and we all know that's really pure downforce. So it's that combination of downforce in a corner that we needed from the 500 high power. We bring it across to the 350 and it gets more capability out of that vehicle for going fast into the corner, more grip. So as we were talking with Michelin, as we were working on, the Cup 2 tires, we knew on the 350 that was the key thing we wanted to do, right? If you put new shoes on it, new grip, better braking out of the Brembo brakes we already have, better lateral acceleration capability with the grip from the tires. So that really unlocked the potential of the vehicle. So once we got that new tire, the new aero that we've developed in simulations, and then the work what we've done with the Ford racing team on the aerodynamics, that combines together that we get into the springs, bars, get all that retuned for that new capability in the vehicle. And then on top of that, we worked with Billy Johnson, who's our driver on GT and on the Mustang GT4. So he was able to tell us how to get the car more intuitive, and that's how we developed new software strategies for both MagnaRide and the ABS tuning that give you the ability to get into a corner quicker and get out of a corner quicker. So you'll see that today when you drive. So those are the big things that are in the 19. So it's a total system, both from aerodynamics, hardcore chassis in the tire, and then the tuning around it. It really gives you that a more intuitive nature in the driving experience and the overall performance that comes out of it when you drive it.